Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing what matters. Confirm your Apple ID or Google account is signed in and your OS is up to date. Once done, open the App Store app and tap the search icon. This is the single entry point. Make sure you have at least 2 GB free so the app listings and previews load without hiccups. You'll also want cellular or Wi-Fi connected. A slow link can hide newer results and stall the next steps. You now perform a focus search. Type the exact app name or a tight keyword phrase to reduce noise. Once results appear, tap Filters or Categories, switch to Apps Only, then choose Ratings or Release Date to surface the official listing. Make sure to read the developer name and icon to verify authenticity. Many clones mimic titles. If results still clutter, refine the query with quotes or add the developer name, then scroll to tap the candidate app and inspect screenshots, description, and permissions to confirm it's the right After Effects companion or related app. You should install and immediately test a core feature to verify authenticity. If the app is not visible or the store shows errors, clear the store cache, restart the device, and repeat the precise search. This resolves most indexing issues. If you still can't find it, ensure regional restrictions aren't blocking the app, and consider
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.